Why the fuck do we have to help him? I don't want to.
Why not?
I don't know how you lasted this long, TK. But you
You don't want to
one
save your
lucky
brother?
bastard.
No such thing as luck, little man. It's the superior genes.
Does dude think he's Wesker or something?
My
Superior gene.
Oh.
You raised her right, Chucky. It's a real shame she has to die.
Why did we help him? Oh!
Don't mess with the face.
Help him. Tuh. Oh, look at my fingers. You know you can press the button. You're capable.
Hey, so what do we do now? The
only lead. This is probably our last. This is our last one, bro. We finished the game. It is over now.
I'll be popping OJ.
I'll be popping punches. Oh!
Fucking dummy. Look at you. Hitting nothing but air. Dipshit. How was that swing?
Oops.
Practicing your home run?
Alright, let's do one last rerun for the last video, Plummy. Let's do it. Let's see if you've improved.
I can't tap.
Let's see if you've improved. Go, do it.
Oh my god, I'm using my long can. Good enough, I guess. You're just sitting there making quick steps, dick.
I had to. I had one left. Alright, my turn.
Oh! Where's the... I'm dead.
Do you want to ride the bull one last time as well? Ride
Why
the
not?
thunder?
We're on the desk, but there's no boy.
I'll ride the thunder.
No. Plastic's empty, so I threw the bag out. That's not good.
We did it! But you don't want to get firebombed?
Alright, let me give him one try, let's go. Oh! Only try.
I punched him off it. Oh, he runs one more. Why is he on it backwards? That's not normal.
Oh yeah, boy.
Oh yeah!
Alright, let's go. Coming through!
Oh.
Let's come again. Does TK die?
I don't know.
We've been playing this game for ages. I don't think no. You just
Let
don't
me
want
think
to.
about it.
Never
I'm
mind.
sick, I'm dying.
We. Oh shit.
Let's go!
Careful!
Oh.
Hit you with the 1-1-2.
1-1-2.
Yeah. I hit you with a jab, and then a right. And down we go. My legs!
Hey look, whole lot of mannequins. Let's see who can keep their mannequin safe the longest. We have to hold this until the end of time.
What
Hand placement is crazy.
do you mean?
My hand is around the breast.
And then look at the left hand. That's a little freaky.
That's crazy.
Oh.
Oh, looks like I kept my mannequin safe longer.
Don't talk about it.
Grab another. You can have another chance.
I was trying to just rage bait. Didn't work. Can you roll with the mannequin?
No.
Oh. Oh, I'm good, man. Get off me. Ooh, I just want my mannequin. We have to run all the way. What did I just jump on?
Why is he holding his heart? Ooh.
I'm running 0.75 miles an hour. It reminds me of the subway tunnel from Leon's Captive. How far do we go?
The end of time.
Tell me, when do we stop? Nice one, guys.
Oh wait, that could work. Yeah, just scurry on by me. Cool. You know
Hey,
what?
can we stop fucking around?
My mannequin's still intact. It's okay. I've got all the parts. Do you want to throw yours in the back and hitch a ride? What is Plummy doing? Oh. Ooh, a little trick.
Uno manito.
What do you mean? Plummy, how about you get your Uno Manoto in here? Oh! We must wait for Plummy now.
Oh no, it's still here. How's that taste? Shit, the fuck?
Here's your magazine.
Oh, thank you, bud.
Oh. The knockback is insane. How about I do that?
I if I have a burger, real quick. Sorry, I got you. I don't think I had you. Pick up these assault rifles. They're just big hell.
It's high noon.
I thought you was gonna shoot me again. Who the fuck are these? Oh, that does nothing.
Am I like that?
Oh, these guys are weak. No wonder they're wearing glasses.
What does that have to do with anything?
People that wear glasses in like any show or video game are just nerds. What the fuck is this?
Why am I red?
Palisades. Oh, so yeah, it's like a Vega. Oh, this shit sucks. What do you want, damn it?
Why is Plummy holding it like that? He's nonchalant.
I'm like that, nigga.
You are not like that, bro.
I was on the phone with the husband, just being chill.
Oh yeah, you're on walkie.
I hate this fucking game. Oh! Oh my fucking god. Can we not do
No
that?
deal.
Can we not? I'd appreciate if we all can just let me through. I hate
Oh, a
every...
spoiled one.
Fuck it, I'm just gonna press... I know! Did I take a wrong turn? I took a wrong turn. That's right though. I need a beer break. Ooh, a cocktail. Give me a second, my will be there in approximately 10 years. I'm not getting there no time soon. Which way am I supposed to go? Oh my god. Oh, I knew I was going the right way. Oh my god! I'm selling. Okay, I understand it.
Doesn't understand it. He went the wrong way again.
Oh shit, you're back there.
Plumbing's
Let me
horrible, bro.
Hate this fucking game, man. Oh, I can't afford it. Where did you go? You inside the TV?
Let's see. Let's see how long it takes, Plummy, bro. No.
Oh, there was a door right here the whole time. Nice one.
Oh.
I had a feeling I walked past it. But, like, I was a little sus. I'm gonna die. I'm getting off.
No, 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 no. Did I get you good? Jaw.
I didn't even notice there was a door right there. Hey, dick. I don't like you. See what I mean? Do you see what I mean by you're the one always on the baloney?
This one
Fuck it.
time, bro.
One time, my ass.
Look at every other video and you'll see it's all you.
I guess. Holy, like, just nuke this city already. Not that hard, dickhead.
No.
Not a skateboard. I have 2 magazines. Good. Give me a quick step, damn it.
No.
I have nothing. Fake chat, nigga.
I
Oh,
don't care. That's your issue, not mine.
good. Selfish fast. You know that?
What if I just whip this bitch and leave you behind? I'm coming back. Calm down.
Straight baloney, bro.
No. I'm shaking it on ya.
I'll get there myself, damn it.
Okay, get in, get in.
Ooh, you pissed me off.
Get in!
Why am I coughing? No, fuck you. Now you wanna
Get
let me
in!
I'm on 2 health.
Oh!
Nice skills. Oh! If you give me a brownie, I'm ending stream.
Oh!
Dude, piss off.
No! I don't have anything else.
You have a quick step.
I'm not giving you a quick step.
don't like playing this game with you.
Why not? It's pretty fun.
I don't have
What the hell?
Oh my god.
Plummy, how much fun are you having?
None. It's been baloney this whole playthrough with you.
Not the whole playthrough. This whole video, sure.
Cool, what are we gonna make, some beats?
They're the ones behind everything.
Phenotrans? But they make Zombrex.
Just calm down a minute here. This one's been feeding us claptrap since you all got
Oh,
here.
Claptrap, Borderlands.
We're all under a lot of stress. Seeing things out of the corners of our eyes. Imaginary stuff.
There's nothing imaginary about this. I don't understand. Why would they... I'll tell you why. It's been a couple of years since the last outbreak. People aren't buying Zombrex like...
Oh, you finally skipped.
Yeah, it was taking too long.
What I want to do is I want to save.
Plummy, do you want to tell the stream anything before we end the game?
Fuck.
You want to give them a speech? And give our viewers a speech?
That's my speech.
Well, I'm glad I didn't talk over it because I heard your thumbstick wiggle, and Penguin's gonna amplify that audio and make you look like a dummy. Oh, here's your coffee creamer.
They give me a brownie, you fucking pussy.
I did no such thing. I would never do something like that, or something like that, or something like that.
I've lost him. Do you see him anywhere?
No, I'll keep an eye on these monitors.
I'll keep looking.
About how many survivors did we rescue?
A whole lot more than 50.
That's sweet. And let me guess, if we wait until Firebomb, we just get fucking nuked.
Great guess, dude.
I want to see that. I want to see Chuck just get fucking obliterated by a bomb.
No. What about his daughter?
What does she do?
Nothing, because she's a kid, but she's our daughter.
You sat there playing that game hoping to get that checkpoint.
Plummy's actually at the door before me. Everyone give him a round of applause. Clap it up for him.
Level
Let
even
me make
in.
a couple of quick steps.
What's in here that I can have? Take a beer.
Not my quick steps. If Plummy takes my quick steps, Penguin's putting 10 big L's on your little head.
I me.
Who else is taking my quick steps? You're the quick step thief. It's all you. It's always been you. Let's go. We did it. Going to fight him. Let me through.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, you actually stayed pretty close. Whoa! Why did that zombie? Whoa! I guess. Don't skip it. Don't skip it. Let Penguin have this cutscene. Let our editor have one cutscene, bro.
People for money. After everything that's happened, that's what you think? The money's secondary. We're trying to save lives here, Chuck. For money! Come on! We had to take the necessary steps to ensure a consistent supply. We can't make the drug without queens, Chuck. A lot of queens. You can thank Isabella for money. He went off the rails. He was well paid for his part. Then he just got greedy. His work, not ours. Whatever happened to that's not about money, Sullivan? Open your eyes, Chuck. Do you have any idea how many people are affected in this country? Doctors, politicians, CEOs. Some of our country's best are infected. Even your little girl, Chuck. What would happen to your cute little time bomb if she didn't get her drug? Fortune City was a small price to pay to ensure our country's way of life. For money. Acceptable losses. This wasn't the first time, and it won't be the last. You bastard! You did it! You caused the Vegas outbreak too, didn't you? For money. Anything that we have done has been absolutely necessary.
Oh, so necessary.
Oh shit.
Go give him a can of whoop ass.
What are we doing up here, bud? Nigga! Oh, he outswings the leg. Didn't even go off. Fuck off, dick. What do you want, woman?
Holy, you're getting fat.
Nigga. Nigga wants to play like a man.
Alright, we'll let Plummy have the last hit. Get him!
Hold on.
I'll give you a quick step. Come here, come here. Come on, give him a can of whoop ass, Plummy. Let's see it, Plummy. I'm Plummy's cameraman. Let's see it. Come on, Plummy. Come on, Plummy.
Shoot this nigga's leg. What the?
Oh yeah, get him, Plummy. Get him,
Come here,
Plummy.
nigga.
Weave.
He just...
Weave.
Nigga. Oh my god, he just beat me. Come here. Dummy. Oh, yeah,
Good one, bro.
I forgot I can't stop my shit. What? Holy, I stuck. I'm here. Damn! Alright, it's my turn, nigga. He just... Hey, yo.
He did it. We'll give Penguin this cutscene too.
We're the good guys, Chuck. Not you.
You killed my wife, destroyed my family!
Cook! Oh no.
Oh.
Channel 6 Action News. This is Chuck Green. You want the scoop of a lifetime? There's a bunker full of survivors in Fortune City. And I've got the proof of what happened here. I need rescue choppers, and I need them right now.
Right this moment. Oh!
Have you seen my daughter? What about Stacy?
We can't wait any longer! Get back on the
Yeah,
job!
we saved over 50 survivors.
I
There's
have to
only
find
2.
my daughter. Go!
We're gonna find our daughter, Plummy. I found him. We found him.
We're actually gonna find it this time.
Yeah.
Oh, they just abandoned it.
Of course.
What happened to fucking Stacy? You know, yeah.
Oh, Stacy's just wandering around. Ooh, a backpack.